Condenser fan not spinning? That's one of those annoying issues that can totally mess up your air conditioner or fridge, and you gotta fix it fast before things get worse. So, first up, check the fan motor itself. Sometimes it just stops working because it's fried or stuck, and swapping it out can be a lifesaver. Next, don't forget to lubricate the bearings if they're dry or squeaky. This can make the fan start spinning smoothly again without any hassle. If the motor looks fine, but the fan still isn't moving, look at the capacitor. It's like the little helper that kicks the motor into gear, and if it's busted, the fan won't spin. Replacing the capacitor is usually an easy and cheap fix you can try before buying a whole new motor. Also, make sure nothing is physically blocking the fan blades from turning. Sometimes debris or dust builds up and jams everything up. Another tip is to check the wiring and connections, because loose wires can stop the fan from running. If you hear humming but no spinning, that's a classic sign of a bad capacitor or motor issue. Always remember to unplug the unit before doing any checks or repairs. Safety first, you know? One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser fan problems is ignoring a dirty or clogged fan. It just keeps getting worse and can burn out the motor. The fix here is to clean the blades and housing regularly. Another common issue is replacing parts without testing them first, so you might waste money swapping out a motor when it's really just a bad capacitor. Get a multimeter or ask a pro to check before buying anything new. Lastly, underestimating the importance of proper lubrication can cause bearings to seize up and stop the fan from spinning smoothly, so keep those bearings oiled every couple of years or as needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find legit local contractors who really know their stuff, making those repair jobs way less stressful. Plus, contractors get to connect with people who actually need their services, so it's a win-win all around.